Hey guys, hello. In today's video I will show you some builds in this game. You can see that Yablika has joined the game. Well, this guy's not gonna be our companion like Drandon. Well, so in today's video, now I'm gonna review my builds to you. I haven't showed you many of them, so I have lots of builds. So let's see it. For this one we have my room. Well, do you know how to do this? Well, I made my own picture frame. One of the shattered old memories of the old TV. Well, here is where the gaming set is. This is the mouse, the keyboard, and the PC. We also have a PS5 here. Wahoo! This is the kitchen, which is a very simple kitchen. I'm making a video. As you all guys know, I'm making a video. This is the kitchen, the bathroom. Well, this is my thing. To do this rain over here, you actually have to use the rain block, then make it so small, then put it below the ground as it when you know it's when you see it touching the ground. The first floor is complete. Here's the second one. At the second one, we have a ladder here. I didn't put anything here. We have a thing here too. But do you know why that chicken is with the sniper is aiming at the YouTube button? You know what it means. Yes, it means shoot the subscribe button. These are my set of chickens. This is a place for lazy chickens who need to relax. These are just all the stuff we have here. But the really last thing I want to show you is this. Yes, the balcony. It has just a light. It has a light here when the night here's a manual light which I turn on when there's the night, and a pool to relax and enjoy the view. Я сделаю видео. Anyway, sorry for the interruption. This is what is holding this thing. We have like it. What is it? A 9 out of 10? My friends, if my friends are watching this video, react to this. If you enjoyed this build, I would like you. If you like this build, I would like to let you like and subscribe. It really helps us. Hey guys, listen to this sign. It means like. I did the sign so you can like the video. it helps us and make us more, support us and make us more popular. If you like the video, like the video. Thank you for subscribing and see you in the next Fling Things and People video. Well, actually, this is the video I thought to do